Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izwan bin Anwar. I am from University Malaysia Sabah at Faculty Science Social and Humanity. Today I will present about a definition of KPI or Key Performance Indicator and a good characteristic of KPI, Key Performance Indicator. KPI are key performance indicators that pay attention to the organization time. This simple mathematical formulation measures the critical factor at different organizational level. One of the good features of KPI is that KPI facilitates corrective action. Line managers are responsible for identifying areas of operation that required improvement and to initiate corrective action. For this purpose, KPI are useful because managers can see areas that are poor by tracking KPI results on target. Hence, the good feature of KPI is also that the KPI are heading in the right direction. Therefore, when managers make decisions about KPI allocated to their employee, they must first consider what they are trying to achieve and evaluate the KPI that optimize their objective. This means that each of the proposed KPI must lead in the right direction by meeting the objective of the manager and employee. Moreover, good KPI are also KPI that can encourage appropriate staff behavior. Managers often introduce KPI to change specific behavior within their teams. KPI serve as a motivation for staff. For example, a flight passenger check-in manager has a very strict KPI standard on check-in progress. The manager will create a schedule for the employee who expect each flight to be present to meet the standard KPI of the job. This right clearly show that good KPI can encourage appropriate staff behavior. In addition, a good feature of KPI is that KPI must rely on quality data. Unverifiable data pose a challenge because the data has been manipulated. As a result, the calculation of expected KPI cannot be verified and considered. Therefore, better managers start with a set of verifiable KPI and add higher KPI as and when quality data is developed. Furthermore, a good feature of KPI is that they are easy to understand. This means that KPI should be formulas that are easy to understand and provide useful information. The formula chosen is when one size is divided by another. Measurements are useful because they are used to capture simultaneous variation in two related variables. A good example of this is the fact that many companies use a revenue to earnings cost ratio, which show how costs vary by income. Companies seek to reduce the value of this KPI in the effort to increase revenue beyond cost and thereby increase profit margins. Finally, a good KPI also benefit from managing KPI must be higher than cost. This means that every company should prioritize KPI rather than cost. In conclusion, to determine KPI, we must ensure that it has good KPI characteristic. Determining a KPI will affect the way a worker performs this work and it will have a different implication for productivity.